Hi everyone, welcome to my Laravel e-commerce project. In this video I'm going to show you how we can get our category and subcategory in this area. It is a little bit complicated. We need to handle this problem. Be careful for understanding this solution because it depends on your CSS, your HTML, but all of them it is same. All of menu is the same because all of menu it is created by UL and li, and li subcategory, category, subcategory. It is structure it's same, but class is different. Some of div is different, but important is that you can understand how we can solve this solution. First, we need to decide our category. Our categories start from here. It is our category list, as you can see here. This cover all of our category, as you can see, and each category, each main category, it is repeated between this li and this li. You see, man, you see, woman and man. You see, woman, this, and man, phone, accessories, something. Okay, if you understand this, let me handle this. First, for this solution I need to get the main categories. I need to get list of the main categories. I need to create a function public. If you want to call this function from the view, we need to define as a static function we can say category list. Or we can say main category list. Main category list. How we can get main categories? We need to import this like this. Category, which is parent ID is 0. It's mean main category because we define our, we manage like this at the admin panel. It is 0, parent ID 0 is main category. Okay. At home controller, we define like this. We have like this function. Okay, at the sidebar, we need to get parent categories like this. With PHP, it is main category list. Okay, this is our variable and we can use parent categories like this. Or main, we can say main categories. for each is why I use like this function, because if I didn't get this variable with this solution, in another case, in this case I have to send this variable from all of the functions. It is impossible, it's very hard. That's why I access to the controller and get the main categories like this. Okay, I need to create my loop. For each main categories as record set. And for each. This is when I check my category. This row is about this. I need to define, I need to create these my subcategories from the different page, because I need to create my recursive function. For example, in this array I can write my okay, I didn't create children because I need to handle something in my model, category model. I need to create relation. At the category model. Because I didn't create. It has relation children, has many the parent belongs with the parent ID, one to many. Inverse. Okay. The main category has many children, and each children has one parent. It is that relation. Let's explain this relation. Each category can have, for example, each category has just one parent, and one main category has many children, like this. You see, these are categories. But inside of this category, it is fixed. It's static HTML. This comes from the template. I need to add in this area a recursive function in this area. In this case, I need to create a blade. The name is category 3. Okay, category 3. Before I create it for my solution, then I copy paste in this area, and then I will explain to you, because it's long. As you can see, we have a category list. Before I create my list with my main categories, but in this area I have a children. I have subcategories. Okay, I have subcategories. I need to manage at the subcategories in this area. How we can do this? Like this. If I have children, I need to call my category 3 from my category 3. At the category 3, it is same with this. It is category should include this code. The same code I created before. I was just to copy paste, and I will explain. We can include any blade file with the parameter. I called this category 3, and with children parameter. What does mean children? It is sub menu of this main category. For each main category, if this main category has subcategories, it means children. We send children to category 3. At the category 3, we created a link with the children as subcategory. You see, this is our subcategory. We have list of links. Okay. And we created this list for each subcategory. How? In this case, if we have also subcategory, before we writing subcategory title, and in this list I called my category 3 as a recursive in this area, as a recursive. If we don't have any category sub 3, I create my category with the links, but we don't have category products, I need to create my category products with the slug. Root category of products ID and slug. Category name is slug. Okay. Let me check. You see computer and another novel I don't have. We don't have laptop, desktop, and I can delete another. It is simple things. Okay, category list, and you can solve your, you can handle your menu or category. It's the same with this structure. It's the same structure. You need to define, you need to try something with two files, because I create dynamic that I can manage my UL and li structure of my categories. You need to understand and you need to try. Okay, you see, it is Python. You see my category products, number of categories, and my category name. I don't have category products in my home page, home controller. Of course I can I will the next video I will handle this my query. Now I just want to check it's my link is working or not. Okay, it is working. Okay, what we did for my category tree, it is we need a recursive function. We need a recursive. First, we created the function that for main category list. Then I called my function. I get my category list at the main categories variable, and I create loop in this area for my main categories. Then first I wrote my title, because we have to write main category title, because we know that this is main category, and we check if we have children we called home category and we sent children of the category 3 file, and at the category 3 file also we created loop, and you write category title, and always we check if we have a subcategories, we send at the same place with the same information as a recursive. We used recursive at the blade. We used recursive function at the blade, not at the code area. At the blade area we used code function. And this line, if we always this function, this recursive function working until finding at the last subcategory. If we found last subcategory, it is created this link. You see this link, category ID and category title, the subcategory title. Okay, I think this is clear. With your project, with the same structure, you can solve your menu, you can create your menu, you can create your categories. It is same. I can create my categories with like this with the image, with the like this design, with the image, as you can see with design, but it's going to complicate it for you. That's why I keep simple. I keep very simple, just simple. My category and subcategory, I just created like this. Also my category, my CSS, my template does not has, it just has two label categories. Okay, it is up to you, up to your template. If your template has many label categories, you can create with these solution categories, but your CSS, your template should be include like that design for subcategories. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.